Get GMB Audit, local SEO, competitor analysis, and AI tools all in one tool with GMB Everywhere. To install, head to GMBEverywhere.com and click the Install Chrome extension button. After successful installation, you can go to maps.google.com and search for any business. With GMB Everywhere, you can search for a business in Google Maps, and right inside the search results on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the primary category of the business marked with a star icon, along with the secondary categories. But there's more. Click the Find More button to learn about related categories, related services, and even compare your categories. Harness the power of AI to help optimize your business. GMB Everywhere is now integrated with rich AI-powered features to help you step up your game. You can easily create your GMB posts, Facebook posts, review responses, and Q&A sections. Access these features via the AI button in the Google Maps search result or by visiting this link. Curious about how a business ranks in a particular location? With the teleport feature, you can virtually teleport to any business location to see their local ranking. Just click the Teleport button, enter the search term, choose the location, and click Teleport Me Here. The teleport feature will show you the top-ranking businesses at that location related to the search term. Checking business profile information has never been easier. With GMB Everywhere's Basic Audit, you can find important Google business profile information at a glance. Click the Basic Audit button and it will display a page with useful information for the business, including the Google Review Request link, Place ID, CID, Business Profile ID, Business Claim Status, and other relevant details. At the bottom of the page, you'll see external audit links, SEO audit links, and website audit links. Curious about how your competitors are perceived by customers? Check the Review Audit. Click the Review Audit button to see review trends for a business and the most commonly used words in published reviews on Google Business Profile. Additionally, with the Post Audit, you can see Google Post Insights for your business. Click the Post Audit button to see details on how Google posts are being made, including post analysis based on the number of posts, dates, cumulative posts, and other relevant information for your business profile. Never miss out because GMB Everywhere is highly integrated with your Google business experience. GMB Everywhere can be found in Google Search, Google Maps search results, Google Maps business page, and is also visible in Google Local Finder and Local Finder single business page. With GMB Everywhere's powerful features, you can truly do more for your business.